With the success of city cars such as the Mini, Fiat 500, Toyota Aygo and the Citroën DS3, it wasn't surprising that Vauxhall decided to dip its toe into the segment with the introduction of the 5-star NCAP awarded Vauxhall Adam. Vauxhall's new baby of the range went on sale in early 2013 with the distinctive yet unusual name of Adam, named for Opel's founder Adam Opel. Entering into the fashion-led A segment with a bold and different option to rival the Mini, the DS3 and the ever-popular Fiat 500. Built at the Eisenach plant in Germany, the Adam was based on the massively popular Vauxhall Corsa. Revealed at the Paris Motor Show the year before, this new small 4-seater city car was dubbed totally unique, offering a million personalisation combinations, from paint to fabrics and wheels to graphics, that would allow customers to create something totally unique. At launch, the Vauxhall Adam offered 3 trims: Jam, Glam and Slam, with even the lowest trim, the Adam Jam, offering a very generous amount of standard equipment, with cruise control incorporating speed limiter, air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity, a multifunction steering wheel, trip computer and 16-inch alloy wheels. The Vauxhall Adam came with the kit and the German engineering excellence to shake up this very popular city car segment. Adam sales began incredibly well, with over half of the UK's Adam allocation being pre-sold before the March delivery started. By February 2013, more than 4,000 of Vauxhall Adams had already been sold, despite the first Adam rolling down the production line just over a month prior. This was more than half the total allocation that Vauxhall were expecting to be given to sell in that year. With the success of the Adam, it wasn't long before Vauxhall decided to add to the range, with the addition of the Adam Rocks and the Adam Rocks Air. These were 15mm higher, giving the Adam more of an SUV style, and with the Adam Rocks Air offering a folding canvas roof. The Rocks and the Rocks Air brought with it the superb 1-litre turbo petrol engine, which was also added to the 1.2 and the 1.4 non-turbo engines available at launch. This offered a new dynamic. Not only did the Adam look amazing, it now showed that the Adam could have some bite, with 113 brake horsepower and only 99 grams of CO2 per kilometre. This benefited from free road tax. 8 months later, Vauxhall took the Adam to the next level with the introduction of the Adam Grand Slam, later named the Adam S. With a 0 to 60 time of 8.5 seconds and 220 Nm of torque, the S offered something new. A specifically designed chassis and VXR braking system allowed the Adam S to dip its toe into the realms of the hot hatch. In December 2015, the Adam Energize was announced. This allowed customers to buy a high-spec Adam without having to customise it themselves. It came with metallic paint within the price, a 1.2 engine, and a Group 3 insurance was perfect for first-time drivers. The latest addition to the Adam range was 2019's Adam Griffin, a special edition model Vauxhall make at the end of a vehicle's run life. This was similar to the Adam Energized with its black wheels, roof and grille bar, but with the inclusion of integrated European sat-nav and priced over £1,000 less. So the Adam's a solid car to drive around town. It's nippy, it's nimble, and it handles well in the corners. And its city mode makes manoeuvring a doddle. Everything you want in a small city car. Insurance, it's only a Group 3, so that's going to be cheap. And road tax, well, that's just the same as everything else is right now. So what makes Adam truly unique is how customisable it is. You can virtually change everything on the car. You can change the wheels, you can change the paintwork, change the little graphics on the outside. You can even change this headliner above me. In fact, when it was launched, Vauxhall marketed it with over 1 million different combinations. Now that's something that's truly unique. Now, don't get me wrong, Adam wasn't the fastest car out there. Sometimes it wasn't the most comfortable. But it was a true one-off. And it was a real head turner. Well, we love it because it's solid, spacious, and even in the basic level car still offers a great deal of equipment. Sadly, in October 2018, with the increased popularity of SUVs and the incoming hybrid and electric vehicles, Vauxhall announced that they will be axing the Vauxhall Adam from its range. This was along with the Viva, the Zafira Tourer and the Cascada. This means Vauxhall won't have a car smaller than the Corsa, and with the new Corsa only coming as a 5-door, no 3 doors at all. And this is sad, because when you think of a small Vauxhall you immediately think of the Nova GTE, the Corsa VXR, or even the Astra GSI. All iconic 3-door Vauxhalls. And with that, even though it's only been around for 7 years, and with the final Adams about to roll off the production line, it's with a sad heart we say goodbye to this remarkable little city car. We say a fond farewell to its quirkiness, its charm, and its sheer personality.